it looks so easy to assemble and disassemble KitchenAid. As illustrated in this video, the pin can be punched out so easily. But then when I tried it, it is another story. In this video, I'm going to show you the fine points in doing assembly and disassembly of a KitchenAid, which other videos didn't talk about. So let's jump into it.
You'll notice that the shaft inside of that opening and the planetary are not in perfect alignment. To realign those, I'm just going to use a small Phillips screwdriver, put it through that opening, and pull the two into alignment like that. Back into the opening, and tap it into place with a hammer.
In the video, the overlapped hole was large enough to use a screwdriver to fine-tune the alignment. In my case, the overlapped hole was so small, even though I tried to tap on the housing and it didn't help. Therefore, I used a finer nail to help with the initial alignment. I then used a larger nail which has the similar diameter as the pin for the final alignment before inserting the pin. It was a very tight fit. If you find this video interesting, please give me a like, help me to promote the channel. I appreciate that. And again, please subscribe, and there are many other interesting videos on my channel, and hope to see you again. Bye bye.